How to activate Ubigi eSim Reddit. You can't activate Ubigi eSim in Reddit because Reddit is an American proprietary social news aggregation and forum social media platform. But to activate Ubigi eSim, follow these steps. First, download and open the app. Then sign in using your username and password. Then get your eSim. Then click on Setting. Then click on Network and Internet option. Then click on SIMs. Then click on Add SIM. Then click on Download a new eSim. Then scan your eSim QR code. Then click on Download. Then click on Settings option. Then click OK your eSim. Then click on Use SIM to activate it. Then click on Turn it on. And your eSim is activated to use. Thanks for watching.